Alright, so me and Ryan are about to play some Fortnite. He's out of a cigarette right now. But as soon as he comes back, we're gonna play. Alright, so it is the next day, but yesterday when I was playing Fortnite with Ryan, I ended up getting to tier 98. So I'm definitely gonna crack on the video, or on the tiers today to get to 100. There's like 3 or 4 days left. I think it's 3 now until next season, so I do want to try and get that before next season starts. So I'm gonna crack down, but yeah, me and Ryan were playing soaring 50-50s and close encounters a lot. So I was just trying to get a lot of challenges and shit. It was pretty fun, but I don't know if we're gonna be doing it today. But we'll see what happens. But I'm definitely personally gonna be cracking down on it.